Hello, everyone. This is MINJCODE. Today, we are introducing you to the 58 thermal printer. Easy paper install structure, simple and convenient to operate. Support multi-language print, suitable for users all over the world. With USB interface, Bluetooth interface. The power consumption is small and without ribbon, cartridge, low use cost. Compatible with the SC-POS instruction set. Support Windows, Linux, Android and iOS system printing. Come see what's inside. This thermal printer is lighter than expected. Accessories: family photo, small ticket paper. Power card. Cable. Oh, and manual. Easy to print test page. Next, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and locate it. Find your printer model and click connect. If you need to enter a pairing code, it's usually 0000 or 1234. After successfully connecting, your phone's Bluetooth list will show that your printer is connected. Finally, we can start printing.